The brothers Offord of East Ham have brought them all together in an amazingly ingenious model of a coronation procession based on that of King George V. Against the background of Westminster Abbey and the Houses of Parliament ride the Royal Horse Guards in a glittering procession. The splendid 6-foot soldiers and their horses have been reduced to a scale of 3/8 of an inch to a foot. Crowds throng pavement and stands, some of the 3,000 figures in this model. And there's Mr. Offord controlling the traffic, an act which has already been televised. As the procession moves on, a glimpse can be caught of some of the distinguished visitors. And now comes the magnificent royal coach. While the cavalcade is passing, you'll be interested to learn that those proud flags are really cigarette cards, and the trees bits of bath sponge. Making what was already a moving procession actually move was no easy matter, but it was eventually overcome by using the escalator principle and some bicycles' spare parts. The actual roadway consists of a series of platforms 30 feet long, which carry the figures at a speed of 3.5 miles an hour. They're moved by a tiny motor, with no more power than 1/6 of a horse. Each of the 3,000 figures had to be cut, painted and glued separately, and the whole model took 4 months to complete. But what better entertainment than a coronation to crown these model efforts? This Alsatian